Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by making sure tab features are on and accessible. Open Settings, tap Safari, and enable the tab bar and iCloud syncing so tabs appear across devices. Once done, open Safari and practice opening a new tab with a two-finger swipe or long press the plus button. This teaches muscle memory. Make sure to pin frequently used sites from the tab overview. Pin tabs freeze a page for fast return and reduce clutter while you proceed. Next, organize tabs into tab groups for projects or topics so you can switch contexts quickly. Tap the tab overview, choose New Tab Group from X tabs, and name it. This saves sets of tabs. Once grouped, drag tabs to reorder or swipe a tab to close it when cleaning up. To multitask, drag a tab out to create split view or use slide over. This lets you compare pages side by side without losing your full tab set. Finish by learning recovery and maintenance steps so you stay efficient. If you need to clear everything, long press the tab overview button and choose Close All. If you accidentally close something, tap the plus to reopen recently closed tabs. For persistent issues, tabs not syncing, missing pages, or sluggish behavior, quit Safari and restart it, then toggle iCloud Safari off and on to force a resync. If problems continue, restart the iPad. This resolves most session and memory glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.